Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO A57s and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select passwords and security, and here click on fingerprint. Tap on continue, and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be a numeric code, pattern or alphanumeric code. I will choose pattern. And now just draw the unlock pattern that you want to apply. Re-enter it then. And now place your finger on the sensor. The sensor is located right here. It's actually your power button, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Click on Done then, and that's it. So from now on, you'll be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. However, if you want someone else to unlock your phone, he or she will be able to unlock your device with this pattern that you set. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.